Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a very interesting book. This is the Memoir of Steamboats of the United States of America by Jean-Baptiste Marestier. Jean-Baptiste Marestier was one of the observers sent by French government to observe and report on the progress in development of steamboats in the United States. His report, or memoir, contains descriptions of number of individual steamboats and their engines and boilers, and detailed analysis of the application of steam to navigation. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.